fellow artists, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. In today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the clone tool in Procreate. So first let's go to layers to show you what we'll be cloning today. So I'll be using this blackbird down here for our example. Please note that you need to use a separate layer for anything that you want to clone. So next, we need to go to Adjustments and go down the list, and we'll click on Clone down here. We're presented with a disk in the middle of our canvas, which we can reposition. Another way to know that the clone tool is active is by looking at the brush icon up here, which will look a little different than the usual icon. However, we're still able to use the usual brushes in the brush library. We're also able to use the brush size and the opacity sliders on the left here. For our first example, I'm going to be using the monoline brush, and I'm going to reposition the disc on the bird's tail, which means that the cloning will start from the tail. So let's say I wanted to clone my first bird over here. You can see that the tail is cloned first before the other parts of the bird. I want to point out that lifting your pen and then placing it back on the canvas will start cloning from the area where you lifted your pen. You can see that when I lifted my pen off the canvas, that the disc stopped cloning from the bird's head. So if I wanted the disc to always start cloning from the tail, I would simply tap and hold the disc on the tail for a few seconds to hold it in place. Now this will ensure that my clones will always start from the tail. One artistic tip that I can give you is to try using different brushes to create different and interesting textures for your art. Turning off the clone tool in Procreate can be done in two ways. The first is to tap on Adjustments, and the second is to tap and hold the brush icon for a few seconds. If you'd like to know how to draw this minimal landscape illustration, I'll leave the link to that tutorial up above to show you how to create this art piece step by step. Thanks for watching, guys! If you'd like to be notified of future Procreate tutorials, you can subscribe to Mad Chen and turn on notifications. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below, because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.